Hi, I'm Shivam. I have built an AI automation engine which is inspired by Zapier and Anytime. The name of this project is Flow Automation Tool. Okay, so what it does, it helps to make complex workflows, and on the basis of that, some actions are being triggered. For example, let's say training the AI summaries, and on the basis of that AI summaries, some actions are being taken. Let's say sending the emails, delaying the messages. Okay, so these are some examples that how this tool will work. We have used Spring Boot, we have used Postgres as a database, Docker to Dockerize a container, and an external AI engine like Google Gemini for the AI actions. Now let's talk about the architecture. So we have a client layer where we are designing complex workflows. Then on the basis of that, we are using external webhooks to trigger the actions. Okay. Then our call flow will go to our project, right? Using some HTTP request, okay, where we have some API gateways and controllers. Okay. Then we have async workflow engine. Then that request will be redirected to the respective handler which we have designed using our workflows. Okay. Now we are using some external services like Google Gemini API key or sending some email or messages right to some tool. Then we are using some target APIs too. Along with this, to process the log, we are using Postgres as a database. Now let me show you the quick demo that how will this project work. So here's an example of a workflow. Okay, so basically the name of this workflow is Angry Customer Filter. So if I just talk about this, so basically here the prompt is this text angry or happy. Let's say a person is complaining about some service, right? So we are just identify using the AI node, okay, whether the person is angry or happy. If the person is angry and if it's true, then we are sending some discount coupon or something, right? Basically, we're triggering some action using some HTTP request. So this is an example of this workflow. Let's say we hit the send button and the UIU ID is generated. Okay. Then we just command C, okay, and we will send the hooks request with the UID. That is the UID for this particular workflow. Now, when we hit send, right, on our body, now this body should be email or something, okay. Then when we hit the send, then workflow triggered successfully. It is the response we were getting. Now, if we just talk about the rate limiting, let wait send multiple times to check how rate limiting will work. Okay, so we just return request now and now. Okay, so after some time, when our bucket is empty with the tokens, then we will get a response 429 too many requests. Okay, so this is an overview of this project. So this project will work like this. Thank you.